As the endless search for answers continue as to how and why West Indies cricket gone so fully to the dogs. I don't know if you all seen these pictures of the West Indies players having fun chatting and laughing and drinking beer with the New Zealand players in the dressing room after being flogged and beaten and embarrassed in the Test series. Skipper Jason Holder himself can be seen laughing and dancing to some reggae music with some of the Kiwis who just don't beat him and him teammates like a punching bag. Yes. And Holder's friendliness seemed to be contagious as other members of the shameless West Indies team are also seen chatting and laughing with the man them who just don't pulverize them. Well, in that search for answers, pre-this, the difference between this crop of West Indies players and the great all-conquering teams led by Clive Lloyd and Vivian Richards is that you would never, ever see Lloyd and Richards and Marshall and Holding and Roberts, etc., frolicking and drinking beer with the enemy after being beaten so embarrassingly by that same enemy. That would never happen because those warriors of the past had a thing named shame and pride and would never, ever do this.
Me say me never give up. I said there ain't no giving in.
Never, ever, never, ever.